We know trading isn't easy. We have been there, missing thousands of opportunities just because the platform is slow. And it can feel overwhelming to juggle multiple positions at once, trying to manage calls, puts, and thousands of positions together. It can feel extremely overwhelming. And many times we spend those precious minutes modifying orders one by one. And by the time we modify the order, the market has already moved. It's frustrating, and frankly, it feels like the people who are building the tools don't understand the trader's mindset and the way they trade. And that's exactly why we have made the CubePlus platform. We have made a platform that is made and built by traders. We have faced these problems hundreds of times, and we are frankly tired of it, and we wanted to solve this. So we have made features that are easy, intuitive, and at the most important, it is fast to use. So that's exactly why we created the CubePlus platform. The CubePlus platform is designed keeping traders in mind. How they use the platform, how their workflow is, how they place the buy and sell order, everything is taken into consideration to make the platform extremely easy and intuitive to use. So welcome to the CubePlus demo, and let us dive right into the platform and understand each and every feature we have built for you guys. The next set of features we're going to discuss is specifically for option sellers. If you're an option seller who does strategies like iron condos, butterflies, Batman, calendars, this feature is perfect for you. So the major thing when it comes to option selling is the orders have to go in together. If one leg gets executed and the other leg does not get executed, it can cause huge amount of losses, especially when you're trading in bigger quantity. So what basket mode does is it allows you to enter multiple options at once. So let me show you how it works. Click on option chain and enable basket mode. Now select the strikes that you want to trade. Let's say I want to trade these two strikes here and these two strikes here. This is an iron condor strategy. You can analyze your strategy and see if you're okay with it. So in this case, I'm okay with a slightly more bearish position. Now, let's say I'm a trader who trades larger quantities. Let's say I trade 20 sets at a time, or let's say 40 sets at a time. CubePlus automatically slices your orders if it goes above the freeze quantity, and at the same time, if I execute my positions, the buy orders go in first. You can see the buy orders went in first and then the sell orders went in. So it will avoid any margin penalties that will happen due to wrong order execution. Next set of features is for you hardcore option traders. Many times what we have futures positions, we have option positions, and we have it in multiple assets with multiple expiry. So let's say weekly Nifty expiry, monthly Nifty expiry, some bank Nifty positions, some stock option positions. And over a period of time, it just starts getting complicated because you have so many positions, and at some point we start messing up and taking the wrong legs, we start cutting the wrong positions, and then we realize, oh no, we have taken the wrong thing. And we have experienced that pain many times. So we have super simplified the entire process. The entire thing is visible on a single screen. So introducing the option terminal, all your option positions are visible in a single screen, including the option chain. So in your open positions, you can filter exactly what you want. Let's say you want to see today's expiry, what is my gain and loss, or I want to see for my Nifty positions, what is my gain and loss, or what is my gain and loss for bank Nifty position. Let's say I only want to see my puts, I only want to see my calls. Any permutation combination you can select. Second thing, many times what happens, options start spiking left or right, or suddenly the market picks up direction. That time, having the ability to cut all your positions at once to square off the loss and maintain it, or to exit puts or to exit calls in a single click can be game changing. And the best part, if you use filters, you can specifically cut all your puts in a particular asset or multiple assets at the same time. Next thing is, you can see all your positions on the option chain. So it makes it very easy and reduces the chance of selecting the wrong strikes, especially when you're trading multiple expiries. This is a lifesaver for most of us. The next feature I really love is I can see all my Greeks in a single click. So here, all the Greeks of HDFC Bank is visible at a glance, including the bid and ask. So when you're trading stock options, it becomes very important to know if the strike is liquid or illiquid. And most of the time, by seeing the bid and ask, it is very clear if the strike is liquid or illiquid. Next thing is I can see the volumes, the open interest buildup, and I can see the Greeks all in a same area, and it makes it super easy for anyone who is building positions on the fly. Next thing is I can build my strategies right from the option chain. Let's say I enable basket mode and I want to create a strategy. Let's say in this case it's a butterfly. Not very happy with the unlimited risk, so I can look at adding particular strikes in out of the money. So now you have a butterfly. The next best feature is the Greeks feature and the ability to see everything in a single glance. So if I enable Greeks, I'll be able to see all the Greeks, theta, gamma, vega, delta, all in a single glance, and I can see the open interest buildup happen live in the market. And if you're trading stock options, you can see the bid and ask also in a single glance. This makes it super useful, especially when you're trading illiquid strikes or illiquid stock options. Next feature I really love is the basket mode, which is integrated directly here. I can build my strategy here, analyze it and execute all from the same place, which makes it super easy and convenient for trading options.
Did you know that certain stocks perform extremely well at the end of the year and perform very bad at the starting of the year? This happens due to seasonality of a chart, where certain stocks or sectors perform really well in certain months. For example, steel stocks do fantastic during the September to December stint, whereas they underperform during January and March. Now, to identify these opportunities in the market, we have brought in a fantastic feature. This feature is called Seasonality Chart. Seasonality chart tells you how a stock has performed during that month across multiple years. For example, SAIL underperforms during January, February and March and outperforms October, November and December. So this gives you a very good idea on what would be an ideal time to enter SAIL and what would be an ideal time to exit this stock. And if you're holding SAIL for a long term because you know the fundamentals are good, then you can use this opportunity to buy puts or sell calls to hedge your position. So this feature is fantastic to identify that particular opportunity or to protect your gains.
Finding the next big opportunity is always challenging for traders. There's so many scripts. If you see NSE itself, we have like 5,000 to 7,000 stocks available. To find the right opportunity in those 7,000 stocks, manually going through them one by one is extremely difficult. So CubePlus has introduced a very nice feature called Movers and Analytics that will put you directly in the place of areas where there is huge volume activity or price activity happening. So in the top gainers, you will find the stocks that are moving extremely fast for the day. And top losers will show you stocks that are underperforming the market. 52-week high and 52-week low will show you stocks that are breaking new highs, which can potentially be new buying opportunities, or new lows, which can be potential selling opportunities for traders. Analytics will give you very clear understanding of what major activities is happening in stocks. So if you click on Shockers tab, you'll be able to see stocks that have major price activity. You can click on volume shockers to find stocks that have good price increase with volume activities. So this is usually where institutions are putting in money for us to understand, okay, there could be some opportunity or some imbalance in demand supply, and this is a great way to find trading opportunities. Also, result calendar will help you understand which stocks have upcoming results, and usually before results or during the result day, you'll see major movement, and movement is what is required for traders to make money. So this entire set of tools makes it very easy for traders to find opportunities in the market. So one of the most annoying things for me in trading is modifying my orders. I cannot go and modify every single leg like this. It's very tedious. I have to modify every single leg to 139 and it's a huge pain to do it. We have gotten a very simple feature to solve this issue. Click on the strike you want to modify, click bulk modify, and all the strikes are selected at once. Here, just modify to this price you would like to, for example, in this case 140, and all the strikes are modified in a single click. This makes trading extremely easy, especially if you're having many strikes and many stop losses. This is my favorite feature in CubePlus and really helps me manage my positions effectively, especially in a volatile market that we're currently seeing. Let's say market is falling sharply like today, almost 800 points. It becomes very difficult to handle positions effectively. Like for example, I need to cut my put positions. It's very difficult for me to manually select every single strike and exit it. So what is the solution? The solution is very simple. We have created a feature called filter, and you can filter out exactly what you want. For example, the expiry, the option, the exact instrument you want to select. For example, in this case, I want to filter my puts in Bank Nifty, and that's it. It's all filtered. I can just click one button, exit and market. All my positions will be exited on the put side. So when market is extremely volatile and problematic, these type of features really help me to manage my positions effectively. Next set of features is for you real traders who want to prove that you are genuine and you have the skill to back it up. We have seen in the industry thousands of these fake gurus coming on Instagram, making some nonsense video without any backtesting, without any proof, and basically convincing the mass to buy their courses, and rather than making money from trading, they make money from selling courses. So we want to change that. We want to create a movement in TradeGenie. That's why we have created a feature called verified PNL, both for daily verification and historical verification. So if you're a genuine trader, it's an amazing platform. Unlike our competitors who allow you to delete your PNL or verify multiple times in a day, TradeGenie only allows you to trade once the market is closed. So people cannot manipulate their verified PNL, make it look like you have more green days than you have red days. So all these things we have thought about. So I'll just show you how exactly it looks. When I click share PNL, the system generates the profit and loss, and I can share this link publicly in any group. So Twitter, WhatsApp, anywhere I can share this. So whatever profit and loss I've made for the day, all of it is visible here. Next thing I can do is I can generate a verified PNL for the entire 6 months, 2 months, 3 months, or a specific period. Let's say I want to do it for the last 1 month, and click save. So the system will generate a PNL for the last month, and you can highlight it in your profile that, hey, this has been my performance for the last month. Or you can also share a 1 year track record where you can show, hey, this is my last year performance. You can take a look at it. This will help build trust among your audience and grow your following in social media. Once the system has generated link, you can copy and paste it in your social media handles or share it with your friends or traders who would be interested to see your PNL. So when they click on the link, they will see something similar to this, where they'll be able to see what is your net profit for the month, what is unrealized, what are the total charges, and what is your net profit. And if you have clicked the detailed view, you will be able to see all the positions that has been taken for the month.
Download CubePlus now. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.